Hi gang, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you a Paradise Delivered. Now this is one of my faves. So I didn't cancel that one before heading home. Because I'd just be starting it right back up. But it's pretty heavy today. Let's see. Of course, there's the usual card. It's called Relax, Recharge, Refresh. And it always says on here, if you post a photo, your name goes into for a contest where you get a free box or something. I don't bother with it. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah. Don't mind me. I just saw something that I think is the same thing I got in another box. Let's start with it. It makes it heavy. A gradient planter. Now I got one of these in a single swag box and it was cracked, but I'm in the process of moving, I'm not going to hassle it. I can still use it. And I discovered that single swag is also run or owned by the same company as Paradise Delivered. So let's see how much of a crossover. I mean, it doesn't look like it's a different color. Nope. But this one's not cracked. Pretty. What'd you think? I mean, I can use it. So, keep. What's it say in the card? It's spring color and cheer to your home and brighten up any space with artesian design planter. Showcase small plants or use as a catch-all vessel for all your favorite tools and accessories around the house. I do not have a green thumb. So I've gotten where I just put little fake plants in. And I don't have, excuse me, boy, I'm not feeling great today. Oh, I also don't like to have live plants because of having the kitty cat, and I don't want her to get into it. So next we have, it's Sune Replenishing Cucumber Mist. Big bottle. Let's see. It's an invigorating mist formulated with an infusion of nutrient-rich botanicals and cucumber essence water to revive dull, tired skin. Aloe vera and cucumber, both rich in essentials, vitamins, and minerals, deliver a cooling boost of hydration. Skin is left feeling refreshed and revitalized. I don't have any need for this. It's going to go in a giveaway. And it retails for $22. Now the planter, I didn't tell you what that one, that's $32, and that's without a plant in it. Let's see, then we have LM Rescue Butter, lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. Ooh, what's it gonna save me from? It's vegan, cruelty-free, and 98.58% natural. Glad they put that 5/8. It's made in the UK for Dr. Botanicals. So it's got lemongrass in it, coconut oil, and glycerin. I bet it smells good. Let's open it up. If it's a lotion type thing, looks like a lotion. I bet it's got one of those little things. It does. Well, does it say lotion? Let's see what it says on the card. Its versatile multi-use natural formulation is packed full of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins, including lemongrass oil, coconut oil, and almond oil, which work together to rejuvenate, renew, and invigorate dull and dried skin. Well, how am I supposed to know what it's for? It's all in one. I'm going to... So teeny, I can't read it. Use as a moisturizer. Apply to your face and massage. Apply to any dry or cracked areas. Requires to choose your lips, elbows, and heels. Use as a... Okay, well, I'm going to keep this because I'm going to use it as a lotion on my hands. Let's see how it smells. It's got all those things in it. It should smell good. Yeah. Not as good as I expected it to. But of course I'll still keep it. Anyway, you can see my closet door is open back there because Lucy has decided that she wants to start sleeping in the closet again. I guess she's getting ready for the trip home. So now every time I'm going to record, I've got to check the closet over here because this is actually, this pointer over here is where she goes. She wants to be back in the corner in the dark. So I reach my hand in there. If I feel fur, I know, oh, she's in here. Can't shut the door. Problem is, you know, I'm liable to forget. And she'd be stuck in there. And the heat's back. So this is Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, a lip oil duo. Well, I'm all into lip stuff. Oh, I see. It's like Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. Okay, so it looks like they're both, okay, one is a cherry scent and one is an orange. Maybe I'll give away the orange because I'm not as into orange. Give that away, but I'm gonna keep now I got really got a lot of this thick stuff on my lips. Okay, then we have, well, this is interesting. A little, like a card case. Well, maybe a little coin purse too, because there's a zipper part. It's funny. I just ordered some from Vera Bradley. It's a Sienna. I can't read what that means. Oh, it's got, you know, space for a couple of cards. Maybe a little bit of bills in there. And, oh, it's even a little, oh, I see. So you can carry it like that. There's also this on it. So you can put your keys on it. Oh, there goes the air conditioner on. Let me turn it off for a minute. Let's see, what's it say about it? Well, that lip oil was $28. Okay, this is a Sienna May, M-A-E. Couldn't see the May on the way it was written. Produced with durable, scratch-resistant vegan leather, this sleek wallet, oh, it's a wallet, has a convenient linked-in keyring and removable wrist strap. Additional features include gold-tone exterior hardware, a back slip pocket, 2 credit card slots, and an ID window. It's $38. You know, this could come in handy on some of my trips, you know, where I don't want to carry my big wallet. So that'll keep. And then, of course, there's something here you know I'm going to keep. It's coming up right now. A chocolate bar. Choco Yoko. It's milk chocolate, 30% cocoa, no artificial flavors, it's a calcium source. Ooh. How many servings? And 1/4 of a bar is 130 calories. I might eat the whole thing. No, I'll share it with Bob. That's going to be a keep. What do those normally cost? It's a premium European chocolate bar. $5. I may like chocolate, but I draw the line when it means paying $5 for a bar. Okay, this looks like it's probably a little jewelry, though, as if it's in here, it's not very big. No, it is. It's in there. Just oh, it's cute. It's a safety pin. See if I can put it where you, how do I do without, see it? See the safety pin? Are you seeing it? Because I'm not seeing it on the camera. There we go. Too close. There we go. I wish I could fit these over my head. It's so hard. Let's see if I can get it on myself. To get these on with my hands. And I hate to have to, so hard. Another one of the hard parts of getting old. I think I got it. Can you see it? Boop. There we go. That's cute. I'm keeping that too. So, see why I like this box? Because it's always a variety of things. Actually, this I will throw away. Throw everything away now. Make room to head home. So, what you think? Comment below, share, like, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in here as much as I enjoyed getting it. I love you all. Bye.